Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and I'll be sharing a replay in the 20 wins challenge against a top 894 finish player. So this is the replay guys. I'm using the Golem with the Baby Dragon and Evo Ghost, and he's using the RG deck. Let's watch it. Once I entered the game, I saw his top 894 finish, so I had to play really well because I know he's a good player. So I cycled to my Royal Ghost first to get to the Evo faster, then the Baby Dragon. I was surprised he was using the Phoenix. He fireballed my Zappies. I used the Skeleton Dragon and then cycled to another Ghost. Once I saw the Fisherman, I know he's going to activate the King Tower, and he's using the Royal Giant cycle deck. I did a lightning to get some more damage and to bait more elixir from him. Barb Barrel to defend with the least elixir. Yeah, I had to let that E-Spirit go so I can go with the Golem. He went Phoenix at the back. Setting Dragons to bait the Phoenix. High Baby Dragon to avoid the Fireball and to boost the speed of my Golem, but it went to the other lane. And the Royal Ghost bypassed the tower for awesome damage. 6 Zappies. So all you can do is just laugh.